Abang. Hoy! Ala yawon. Hoy, Ninel! Ninel! Hoy! Shit na. I-check ba, hoy? I-check ma'am, kita ka ba ni mo, Bert? Timani, Bert? Hoy, taga-Jollibee! Taga-Jollibee, taga-Jollibee! Tarawan mo, bata, ma'am. Halilay. Dari mo. Tanaw mo sa pusli, mama. Ayaw panik. Oh, shit. Sabi bay? Kyo nga gawas tanan. Gawas mit tanan bay. Lumpag gid siya. Kaabi bay.
Kasi kung dito nagawa sila. Ay, tawa bil. Relax lang. Ayaw ka. Hoy! First biggest one.
Relax lang everybody ha. Relax lang. Ay mga pictures na mag-deliberate. Wala tayong magkuhan. Wala tayong mag-panic. Everybody, kalma lang. Those who can contact their parents, you cannot contact your parents through your Wi-Fi. Please, everybody. Contact your parents. Contact your parents. Contact your parents, everybody, please. Wala yung water sa
Naob na extra. Naob na yun.
Lingkod sa tanan, talaga grade 10 and grade 9. Grade 10 and grade 9, lingkod. Please contact your parents. Kung namoy data, kung namoy loan, please contact your parents. Relax lang ha, relax lang ha. Ano tayo mga parents to facilitate as well as our non-teaching personnel. We have also our nurses and some of the parents are still around. So relax lang ha. Please Teachers, please assist. May nanglakaw sa likod mga estudyante. Grade 10 teachers, please. Monitor your learners kapit sa building. Ikabuang doon sa linya nila. All students! Relax lang tayo mga estudyante. Wala sa imo ato sa rooms yun. Contact your parents na. Then those who are